Hello students and welcome to Edupedia World. My name is Shivam Mishra and today we are going to discuss the solutions to IIT JEE Advanced 2015 paper 1. The code which we are using is 4.
Okay, so that brings us to question number 7. Question number 7 is a very good question from atomic structure. Most of the students who do not read between the lines and who are not very conceptually sound with the chapter of atomic structure would not even understand this question. Let us have a look what it says. Not considering the electron spin, the degeneracy of the second excited state of n equal to 3 of H atom is 9. Okay. Now, what exactly does it mean by the degeneracy of the second excited state? The degeneracy means the total number of different orientations which an electron can have. And since we don't have to consider the electron spin, so basically the degeneracy simply means the number of degenerate orbitals. Now, H atom, that is your hydrogen atom, is a single electron system, okay? And in case of single electron systems, if you happen to read NCERT, it has been given in one small line over there. In case of single electron system, the energy only depends on the value of n. Okay, so the single electron systems do not follow your n plus L rule, so it is independent of L. Fine. So for single electron system, your 3s, 3p as well as 3d, all of them are going to have the same energy. This might seem surprising to you, but this is true. That 3s, 3p and 3d for single electron systems, all these states have the same energy because energy only depends on the value of n. Okay, it is independent of L. And if this is the case, I'll rewrite it again. It only depends on the value of n. It is independent of L. And if so be the case, the total number of orientations, that is the total number of orbitals, will be 1 in 3s, 3 orbitals in 3p, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orbitals in 3d. This is your 3s, this is your 3p, and this is your 3d. So all these orbitals will have the same energy, and in each of these orbitals you don't have to consider the electron spin. So in each of these orbitals there can be, electron will have different orientations, so the degeneracy in such a case will be 9. This is what has been given in the question. Okay. However, so this concept was explained for you to understand the meaning of degeneracy. Now it says, while the degeneracy of the second excited state of H minus. Now for H minus is not a single electron species. H minus is a multi-electron species. And if that be the case, it will follow the n plus L rule. The energy order will be decided by the n plus L rule. Okay, so by the n plus L rule, the minimum energy will be of 1s, then it will be of 2s, and then the energy order will be of 2p. 2s and 2p will not have the same energies over here. So this now 2p will be your second excited state for H minus. This will be your second excited state, and if this be the second excited state, the degeneracy for 2p will be 3 because there are a total of 3 orbitals over here. So that will be the correct answer to the question, that is 3. Very good question, I must say. Thank you.